Hi everyone. Now we will learn about will and would in this English grammar lesson series. Will and would are often used by students, but there is some confusion regarding their use among them. So, in this lesson, we will focus on forms of sentences with will and their structures, uses of will with examples, forms of sentences with would and their structures, uses of would with examples, comparison between will and would, then a practice exercise. Let's start. Will and would are modals. They are auxiliary or helping verbs, so use them with the main verb. Use them with infinitive or base form of the verb without to. Also, use them as they are, don't change them. You can see these points in detail in a separate video on modals. Its link is given above. Will is used in different forms, that is, positive, negative, and interrogative. Look at the sentence formation in these forms. Positive, subject plus will plus verb. Example, they will attend the seminar. They will can be contracted into they'll. Negative sentence formation, subject plus will not plus verb. Example, she will not sing in the party. Contraction for will not is won't. Interrogative, will plus subject plus verb. Example, will you come with me? We use will to express future actions. Examples, she will play in the evening. He will go for swimming tomorrow. They will attend a meeting next week. All these things will happen in the future and they are expressed with will. Will as a modal verb is used to express number 1, willingness to do something. Example, I will show you my new dress. I am going to the library and I'll meet her there. Number 2, will is used to make offers informally. Examples, will you like some soup? Will you have a cup of coffee? You can make such offers to your friends, your siblings, or in your family. We also use will to make promises. Examples, I'll always stand by you. We'll take care of your pet. Number 4, requests are made with will using interrogative sentences. These are addressed to second person. Examples, will you pass him this book? Will you lend me your sketch pen? Will is also used to give commands or orders. There is an extra force in such sentences and there is a certainty that the command will be obeyed. Examples, will you stop lying? You will not stay out tonight. Number 6, will is used to express beliefs. These are expressed with the feeling of surety that something is true. Examples, she will be studying at home. We will be late for airport. Will is also used to express characteristic habits. For example, she will keep playing video games for hours. This is her habit to play video games for hours. Second example, he will talk about nothing but his achievements. To talk about his achievements is his habit. We also use will in conditionals. In conditional sentences, there is present tense with if. In such sentences, an expected situation is expressed. For example, if it rains, the road will get slippery. If you come with me, I will help you in arranging your room. Next modal verb is would. Its different forms are positive, negative, and interrogative. Sentence formation for positive sentences: subject plus would plus verb. Example: he would sing in the competition. Contracted form of he would is he'd. Negative sentence formation is subject plus would not plus verb. Example: she would not play football. Contracted form of would not is wouldn't. Interrogative sentence formation: would plus subject plus verb. Example: would you go out for dinner? Would is the past form of will. We often use it in reported or indirect speech. Examples: she said that she would play soccer. His mother said that she would not go for shopping. Would is also used when we talk about past. Example: even as a child, he knew that he would be a successful singer. As a modal verb, we use would to express various ideas. First, willingness to do something in the past. For example, he was a kind person. He would always help the needy. I went to the shop to change the defective pen drive, but the shopkeeper wouldn't give me a replacement. Number 2, polite offers are made with would. Examples: would you like some vegetable soup? Or would you like some vegetable soup, please? Please can be added for more politeness. Second example: would you like to accompany us to the park? Would is used to make requests formally. Examples: would you pass that glass, please? Would you mind sharing your pen, please? We also use would to express preferences. Preference is special liking for a person or a thing over another or others. In such sentences, would is used with rather or prefer. Examples: I would rather go to work than stay at home. I would prefer to have cheese toast. Would is used in conditionals. In such sentences, situations are based on conditions, and there is if in the sentence. For example, if I had money, I would travel around the world. If he had worked hard, he would have got through the exams. Further, we use would to express habits or repeated past actions. Examples: we would go out for movies in our college days. I would go for swimming every day when I was in Calcutta. Now, comparison between will and would. Will is used for future actions. For example, she will play in the evening. While would is the past form of will. Mostly we use it in reported speech. For example, she said that she would play in the evening. Would is also used while talking about the past actions. Second comparison is based on expressing offers. We make less polite and informal offers to our friends and family. In such offers, will is used. For example, will you like some soup? While making offers to our seniors or strangers, we use would. These offers are more polite and formal. For example, would you like some soup, please? Requests expressed with will are less polite and informal. We use will to request to our friends or siblings. For example, will you pass me that book? While requests made with would are more polite and formal. We use would to request to our elders, seniors, or strangers. For example, would you pass me that book, please? Next comparison is based on conditionals. In conditionals with will, situations are real and likely to happen. Example, if it rains, the road will get slippery. While in conditionals with would, situations are imaginary or impossible. For example, if I had money, I would travel around the world. In this practice exercise, you have to fill in the blanks with will, want, would, or wouldn't. Pause the video and fill in the blanks, then match your answers with the answers given here. I hope your understanding regarding will and would must be increased after watching this lesson. As you are getting better in English grammar, I am proud of you. We'll meet soon with a new lesson. Till then, goodbye.